Good evening everybody! For today's video ay magluto tayo ng steamed pork ribs, ulam for tonight.
Yummy!
Ito yung pork ribs, hugasan natin at ibaba natin ito sa tubig na may baking soda. Lagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon full baking soda ang pork ribs. And then, haluin ng mabuti. And then, i-rest ito ng mga about 2 hours para lalambot ito. After 2 hours sa pagbabad ng baking soda, hugasan ito ng running water 2 hours or more. Ito yung mga ibang ingredients, tangerine peel, dried salted black bean, at saka yung minced garlic. After binabad ang tangerine peel ng 30 minutes sa tubig, hugasan ito at linisan. And then ikat ito ng maliliit. And after ko nakat, iput together ko sa black bean. Yung pork ribs, after rinsing of running water, drain it kasi i-marinate natin ito. Then yung minced garlic at saka yung tangerine peel at saka black bean, ipan-fry muna natin ng sandali. Lagyan natin yung minced garlic, ipan-fry lang ito ng sandali at saka yung black bean at saka yung tangerine peel. Then mag-start na tayo mag-marinate sa pork ribs. Lagyan lang natin ng light soy sauce. Tansyahin lang ang paglagay, depende kasi kung anong karami ang pork ribs. And then lagyan ng sugar. Then mix well. Then, ilagay natin yung minced garlic, black bean, sa tangerine peel na napan-fry natin kanina. Then, haluin ulit ng mabuti. Then, lagyan natin ng cornstarch. And then, mix well again. Then, after ko nahalo, nilagay ko na sa plato. And then, lagyan ng slice na chili sa top ng pork ribs. Make sure na kumukulo na yung tubig bago mo ilagay yung pork ribs. And then, i-steam ito ng 15 minutes in high flame. After 15 minutes, it's done steaming, guys. Thank you for watching.
Wow! Yummy!